All right, everyone, let's tap in. Everyone take a moment right now. Let yourself get still. Move into the feeling tone of a secure self. You're secure. Remember, tapping into that lower spine, tapping into your sitting bone, right at the base of your spine, bringing that warmth, sitting or laying, whatever you're doing, just bringing your attention to this feeling tone of stillness and warmth and peace, that you are content in knowing that you're secure in God. God is your security. Inhale and exhale. Let's feel that living breath. You're breathing, conscious breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Yes. You may notice sometimes I do rock. I've done that for years. And this is just me like feeling into the energy tone. So I want you to feel into the secure knowing you are secure in God. And so we begin with the first question. What is the nature of security in God? What is the nature of security in God? What does it feel like? What is the nature of security in God? What does it feel like? What is the nature of security in God? What does it feel like? I want you to imagine what it feels like. Let's use that third eye as we stay grounded, right? What is the nature? What does it feel like to know that you are secure? What does security feel like? What does security feel like? What does security feel like? Ask yourself the question. What does security feel like? What is the nature of security? I want you to imagine how you would feel if you would walk in the knowing that you are secure in God, that God is your security, and that the security comes from within. Imagine what it would feel like to walk that way, right? What would it feel like to live that way? Inhale and exhale. Feel that living breath, that holy breath. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Let that belly button touch your spine as you exhale. Inhale through the nose. Expand that belly. Yes. Exhale. Feel that navel almost touching the spine. Inhale again. Feel your belly. Exhale. Next question. What is the nature? What is the nature of security in God? What does it look like as my life? What is the nature of security in God? What does it look like as my life? What is the nature of security in God? What does it look like as my life? As you ask that question, you tap into your intuitive self. You imagine what it looks like. What would your life look like if you were to walk in the knowing that you are secure in God, that God is your security? How would you live your life? What does it look like? What does your life look like? What kind of people are in your life? Yes. How are you at work? Yes. Are you walking in the secure knowing? Is there confidence? How are you with following your dreams? Are you secure in knowing that God is right where you are? How are you in your home? Secure in knowing that you are safe in God? How are you? How are you? What does it look like to be secure, that God is your security? Just imagine. Next question. We're tapping into security again. This next question speaks to security. What is the nature of security in God? What is the nature of security in God? What does it sound like as my voice? What is the nature of security in God? What does it sound like as my voice? What is the nature of security in God? What does it sound like as my voice? Now listen to that voice. How are you speaking? Throat chakra. How are you speaking? What kind of words are you saying? As you're rooted, as you're safe and secure, what are you saying? What is your communication like from this place of security? There's no room for gossip. There's no room to speak on fear and doubt and worry. You speak on truth. God is my security. Your words, God is my security. Your actions, God is my security. Your deeds, as your life. Yes, yes, yes. What kind of words would you speak? Yes. And so as you tap into that, let's breathe into that question. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Smile on your face. You're secure. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. God is your security. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. God is your security. Feel that security. Feel that vibration. Speak it. See it. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Speak it, see it, feel it. Yes, the security. Come on, let's take it to the next level. What is the nature of security in God? What is the nature of security in God? What are my thoughts like? What is the nature of security in God? What are my thoughts like? What is the nature of security in God? What are my thoughts like? The question is, what are you thinking? What kind of thoughts are you thinking about yourself? What kind of thoughts are you thinking about the world? What kind of thoughts are you thinking about your home and your family? What kind of thoughts are you thinking about those in your office? What are the thoughts you're thinking? From this place of security, you get to think a higher thought, a mm, a higher consciousness of thinking because you're secure in God. There's a security in the creation, in the creator. There's a security in your knowing who and whose you are. What are your thoughts like? What are you thinking? Inhale and exhale. Let's feel that living breath. Inhale and exhale. You are secure in God. Inhale and exhale. God is your security. Thinking those thoughts of security, speaking those words of security, seeing your life in security, feeling the feelings of security. Safe and secure you are. Smile on your face. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. And now I want you to, as you are feeling into it, as you're seeing it, as you're speaking words of security, as you are thinking thoughts of security, I want you to just hold yourself. You're secure in God. God is. You are, God is. You are secure in God. Yes, and just imagine this beautiful light around you, this golden light surrounding you. This is your light of protection. Yes, yes, yes. See this light surrounding you and enfolding you, and see this place of security as at the base of your spine, this beautiful red light is lit. It is warm. You feel rooted and secure in God, protected in the presence of God. Just feel into that. Yes, yes, yes. Feel it, see it, speak it, think it. Feel it, see it, speak it, think it. Feel it, see it, speak it, think it. Yes, feel into that security. Feel it. Yes, yes, yes. See it with your inner eyes. See yourself living a life of security and peace and calm. See it. Speak it. Let your words be words, knowing that you are secure in God. Yes, yes, yes. Let your thoughts be words of security and groundedness in God, in your higher power, in spirit. Yes, you are in the safety zone. I am in the safety zone. I am in the safety zone. I am in the safety zone. Mm. Smile on your face. Yes. You are safe in God. Hmm. And so, how grateful we are for this moment to acknowledge and remember consciously that we are safe in God, calling forth the vibration of safety. We feel into this safety. We see safety with our inner eye. We speak words of safety. We think thoughts of safety. We are safe and secure from all alarm. Grateful for the knowing that no matter what the outer circumstances are, there is always a greater good that wants to be revealed in and as us. We open up our arms now and say, yes, we are secure in God. Yes, we are secure in God. Yes, we are secure in God now. Yes, I am secure in God. Yes, I am secure in God. Yes, I am secure in God. Breathe into that right now. Mm. And so we release this word of safety and security unto law, knowing the words I have spoken are active, alive, and real right now. It is done, it is done, it is done. And so it is. Ashe.